Thank you for joining us in this Back to Basics Express, how to make your first web page in 1 minute. We'll start with HTML open tags, then header open tags, and title open tags. The page title that will show at the top of the window will be added next. Then we will close the title and header tags. We will add an open tag for the body of the page. This is where the text will show up in the body of your web page. In this case, hello world. This is my first page. Then we'll close the body tag, followed by closing the HTML tag. Then we'll save the page locally on our computer, making sure that the file extension we use is .html. Additionally, you'll have to change the file type from text to all files. Then when you open that file, as you can see, we have the title and the body. Thank you.